Hello kids, today we'll learn alphabet A, B, C and counting number 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube kids channel. Let's get started. Black color, brown color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color. Blue color. A for apple. Black color. B for black. Brown color. C for cat. Red color. One. One. Purple color. Two. Two. Green color. Three. Is three. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.